It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Chevrolet Trax Premier. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Trax. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice it comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel are some lighting controls and dials, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Overhead, the power sunroof buttons, some interior light buttons, OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is Chevrolet's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. To the left here is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the car. Traction control, lane departure alert, climate control buttons with air conditioning, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. At the front of the Trax, we have fog lights, under the hood a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, the side mirrors have side blind zone alert, the door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window wiper, remote start, and a spacious trunk. So come take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Trax Premier, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.